Om Namo Namah. Multiplication tables in Sanskrit. Gunana Koshtakani. Your co-student S.L. Abhyankar, Mumbai, Thursday, June 25th, 2020. There is a great interesting suggestion from Mr. Bob Dunkley for a video of multiplication tables in Sanskrit. Actually, there has been a great tradition of recitation of multiplication tables in India. Sadly, it is almost lost now, since calculator function is available by default in every other mobile. Both those of my generation who learned multiplication tables diligently can tell you 29 nines are 261 or square of 63 is 3969 in a jiffy, much before you open the calculator mode on your mobile and key in as many numbers. It was that arithmetic alacrity inculcated in the cultural tradition in India, due to which Ramanujam could tell Hardy that 1729 is the smallest number which is a sum of two cubes in two different ways. 1729 is equal to sum of cubes of 12 and 1, also sum of cubes of 10 and 9. Multiplication tables are given in the books, but how to say them is not scripted. Alacrity is in the style of saying. Recalling how I learned multiplication tables, padhe, in Marathi, I can say that rhythm being essential in the style of saying, there was quite some go by to grammatical accuracy of Marathi as the language. What was important was to get the arithmetic result fast and correct. For example, 17 nines are 153 is said as 17 9 53. I guess 53 implied 53, 53 and she 100. So 53 and she 53. Let me attempt scripting and recitation of multiplication table in Sanskrit, starting with the simplest, that of twos. Be ke be. I have 4 columns here: Marathi, English, then figures and Sanskrit. So be ke be, 2 ones are 2, dvayor ekam dve. Be dune 4, 2 twos are 4, dve dve chatvari. Be trik saha, 2 threes are 6, dve त्रीणि षट्. बे चौक 8, 2 fours are 8, द्वे चत्वार्यष्ट. बे पंचे 10, 2 fives are 10, द्वे पंच दश. बे संग 12. Now here for द्वे पंच दश I have put a note, C note below. We will see that. बे संग 12, 2 sixes are 12, द्वे षट द्वादश. बे साती 14, 2 sevens are 14, द्वे सप्त चतुर्दश. बे आठी 16, 2 eights are 16, द्वे अष्ट षोडश. बे नवे 18, 2 nines are 18, द्वे नवाष्टादश. बे दाही 20, 2 tens are 20, द्वे दश विंशति. बे 11 22, 2 elevens are 22, द्वे एकादश द्वाविंशति. बे 12 24, 2 12s are 24, द्वे द्वादश चतुर्विंशति. Now coming to that note. Note, there should be clear space between pancha and dasha when saying dve pancha dasha. Otherwise, pancha dasha would mean 15, and that would be totally wrong. And if that settles into your way of saying, a wrong thing will get memorized. That will be very hazardous. But anyway, what I have scripted as the Sanskrit recitation sounds good, right? For a comparative understanding of the multiplication table of 2, in Marathi, I can say it very fast. बे के बे दूनी 4, बे तीन 6, बे चौक 8, बे पंच 10, बे संग 12, बे 14, बे 8 16, बे 9 18, बे 9 20, बे 11 22, बे 12 24. I did not really count the time, but I think it is the fastest. Comparatively in English, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 2 6s are 12, 2 7s are 14, 2 8s are 16, 2 9s are 18, 2 10s are 20, 2 11s are 22, 2 12s are 24. And now Sanskrit. द्वयोरेकं द्वे 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 चत्वारि द्वे त्रीणि षट् द्वे चत्वार्यष्ट द्वे पञ्च दश द्वे षट् द्वादश द्वे सप्त चतुर्दश द्वे अष्ट षोडश द्वे नव अष्टादश द्वे दश विंशति द्वे एकादश द्वाविंशति द्वे द्वादश चतुर्विंशति. Sounds good? I think I haven't taken any great liberty with Sanskrit grammar either. I have gone up to 2 into 12, but Indian style has been of multiplication up to 10 only, because the decimal logic has been there even when writing numerals. And so decimal tradition is a ages old tradition. So that is why even for multiplication tables we will recite them only up to 10. Let me now attempt table of nines. 9 एके 9, 9 1s are 9, 9 एकम 9, 9 2 18, 9 2s are 18, 9 द्वय अष्टादश, 9 त्रिक 27, 9 3s are 27, 9 त्रीणि सप्तविंशति, 9 चौक 36, 9 4s are 36, 9 चत्वारि षट्त्रिंशत्, 9 पञ्च 45, 9 5s are 45, 9 पञ्च पञ्चचत्वारिंशत्, 9 संग 54, 9 6s are 54, 9 षट् चतुष्पञ्चाशत्, 9 सप्त 63, 9 7s are 63, 9 सप्त त्रिषष्टि, 9 अट्ठे 72, 9 8s are 72, 9 अष्ट द्विसप्तति, 9 9 81, 9 9s are 81, 9 9 एकाशीति, 9 10 90, 9 10s are 90, 9 दश 90. Now only Marathi. 9 एके 9, 9 2 18, 9 3 27, 9 चौक 36, 9 5 45, 9 7 54, 9 7 63, 9 8 72, 9 9 81, 9 10 90. English. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27, 9 4s are 36, 9 5s are 45, 9 6s are 54, 9 7s are 63, 9 8s are 72, 9 9s are 81, 9 10s are 90. Now Sanskrit. 9 एकम 9, 9 द्वय अष्टादश, 9 त्रीणि सप्तविंशति, 9 चत्वारि षट्त्रिंशत्, 9 पञ्च पञ्चचत्वारिंशत्, 9 षट् चतुष्पञ्चाशत्, 9 सप्त त्रिषष्टि, 9 अष्ट द्विसप्तति, 9 नवैकाशीति, 9 दश 90. And now table of 17. 17 एके 17, 17 1s are 17, सप्तदश एकम सप्तदश, 17 2 34, 17 2s are 34, सप्तदश द्वे चतुस्त्रिंशत्, 17 3 51, 17 3s are 51, सप्तदश त्रीणि एकपञ्चाशत्, 17 चौक 68, 17 4s are 78, सप्तदश चत्वार्यष्टाषष्टि. This is चत्वारि अष्टाषष्टि. 17 5 85, 17 5s are 85, सप्तदश पञ्च पञ्चाशीति. 17 संग को दुकोदर से 17 6s are 102, सप्तदश षट् द्विशून्यैकम्, 17 7 19 17 7s are 119, सप्तदश सप्त नवैकैकम्, नवैकैकम् 9 एक एकम्, 17 8 36 17 8s are 136, सप्तदशाष्ट षट्त्रीण्येकम्, 17 9 53, 17 9s are 153, सप्तदश नव त्रीणि पञ्चैकम्, 17 10 70, 17 10s are 170, सप्तदश दश शून्य सप्तैकम्. नऊ ओनली मराठी 17 के 17, 17 दूनी 34, 17 ते 51, 17 चौक 68, 17 5 85, 17 सकम तो 17 7 59, 17 8 36, 17 9 53, 17 17. In English, 17 1s are 17, 17 2s are 34, 17 3s are 51, 17 4s are 68, 17 5s are 85, 17 6s are 102, 17 7s are 119, 17 8s are 136, 17 8s are 136, 17 9s are 153, 17 10s are 170. Now only Sanskrit. सप्तदशेकं सप्तदश, सप्तदश द्वे चतुस्त्रिंशत्, सप्तदश त्रीणि एकपञ्चाशत्, सप्तदश चत्वारि अष्टाषष्टि, सप्तदश पञ्च पञ्चाशीति, सप्तदश षट् द्विशून्यैकं, सप्तदश सप्त नवैकैकं, सप्तदशाष्ट षट् त्रीण्येकं, सप्तदश नव त्रीणि पञ्चैकं, सप्तदश दश शून्य सप्तैकं. Sounds good? Note, it would be good to say in Sanskrit the numerals of 3-digit numbers by the Sanskrit dictate Ankanam Vamato Gatihi. That is, say the numerals from right to left. Of course, Marathi is fastest, though it uses lot of colloquial lingo. Before closing, here is an attempt at table of 29. 29 एक 29, 29 1s are 29, 29 एकम 29, 29 दूने 58, 29 2s are 58, 29 द्वे 58, 29 3 87, 29 3s are 87, 29 त्रीणि 87, 29 चौक 16 वर्षे, 29 4s are 160, 29 चत्वारि षडेकैकं, 29 5 45, 29 5s are 145, 29 पंच पंचचत्वार्येकं, 29 74, 29 6s are 174, 29 षट् चतुस्सप्तैकं, 29 7 2, 29 7s are 203, 29 सप्त त्यधिक द्विशतं, 29 8 32 2, 29 8s are 232, 29 दष्ट द्वित्रिद्वि, 29 9 61 2, 29 9s are 261, 29 9 एक षड्द्वि, 29 10 92, 29 10s are 290, 29 दश दशोनत्रिशतं. Note, Sanskrit pronunciations become compact and rhythmic by employing rules of sandhis. Note, trim in ekonatrimshat has anuswara, but the last word dashonatrishatam, but in dashonatrishatam there is no anuswara, it is trishatam, 300s, 10 less than 300, dashauna, trishatam, dashonatrishatam. Hope this is good. Shubhamastu.